Here I have HTC Desire 22 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from SD card, from internal storage to SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Files application. Okay. Here you can transfer downloads, images, videos, audios, documents, and also apps. So let's transfer some image. Let's transfer this one, and okay, and that's it. So tap on three dots here, select if you want to move image or if you want to copy it. So let's copy it. Then select SD card, select folder where you want to copy this image, for example pictures, and copy here. And now we can find this picture on our SD card in folder where we copied it, and here it is. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.